What is IUPAC system? The IUPAC actually starting the rapid growth of organic compounds. The first in 1892, ICC International Chemical Congress, International Chemical Congress at Geneva, under the name of Geneva System of Nomenclature. This system could not be successfully applied the complicated multifunctional group compounds. The International Chemical Congress could not explain the multifunctional group compounds. So that's why the system is partially revised in 1931. The revised system was referred to IUPAC system. This is a modification in the system have been made from time to time and International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, what is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a systematic, scientific and as well as a simple method for nomenclature. What is this one? It is a simple, systematic as well as a scientific method. Scientific method. Okay. In this method is useful for the some guidelines. A given compound can be assigned only one compound, one name only. The given compound can be assigned only one name. A given compound can be have only one structure, molecular structure. The system can be applied the name of naming complex compounds also. The system can be applied in naming of multifunctional groups also. The compound must have compound having only one name. The compound having only one structure, the compound could successfully explain that is the system can be applied naming multifunctional organic compound. This system explain multifunctional compounds. Multifunctional compounds. This IUPAC system broadly classified into three parts. Many parts? This IUPAC system broadly classified into three parts. That is prefix, suffix, and a root word. Root word as well as suffix. The IUPAC system broadly classified into how many parts, ma'am? Three parts. That is prefix, root word, suffix. What is the root word, sir? The root word is nothing but the number of carbon atoms in a molecule. The number of carbon atoms in a molecule is called root word. In case if you take here number of carbon and root word. If the number of carbon is 1, then the root word is meth. Number of carbon atoms 2, eth. 3, prop. 4, but. Like that. If the number of carbon atoms is equal to 5, number of carbon atoms is equal to 5, Then the root word is pent. 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 none, 10 deca, 11 undeca, 12 dodeca, etc. Okay, this is information about root word. What is root word? Simply the number of carbon atoms in a molecule. Now, what is the prefix, sir? Prefix means substituent present in a molecule. Substituent present in a molecule is called prefix. What is substituent, sir? An atom or group of atoms attached to the carbon skeleton or carbon chain is called substituent. An atom or group of atoms are attached to or connected to the carbon chain is called substituent. Next one, suffix. What is suffix, sir? Functional group. Functional group. Functional group present in a molecule is called suffix. What is functional group, sir? The characteristic property of an organic compound is mainly depends upon an atom or group of atoms in a molecule is called functional group. Functional group present in a molecule is called suffix. Substituent present in a molecule is called prefix. The number of carbon atoms present in a molecule is called root word. Thank you. We will meet next video.